So this is part 2 of the summative test review. Let's start. An annual salary of 600,000 is equivalent to how much per week? Okay, dito may 52 weeks na nilagay. So that means that there are exactly 52 weeks in a year. So ang gagawin natin dito to get the weekly salary is to divide annual salary divided by 52. So, wait lang. Parang line naman ito. So, that is 52. So, 600,000 divided by 52. Ilan yun? Divide natin. 600 divided by 52. That's 11,538, tas dalawang decimal places lang, that's 0.46. So, 11,538.46 pesos. Next, let's have this. A delivery rider gets 50 pesos per delivery. If he completes 35 deliveries in a day, how much does he earn? So, magkano yung kanyang pay? Gagawin lang natin dito, it's still parang piecework siya, piecework. Kasi per item or per unit, yung binabayaran, that is 50 times 35. Okay, 50 times 35, that is 1,750 pesos. Ito yung makukuha niya, bayad. Next, a weekly wage of 3,500 includes 500 in overtime. What is the basic pay? Dito, dali lang siya. Basic pay is equal to the weekly wage plus the overtime, OT overtime. Weekly wage is 3,500 pesos plus 500 is equals to 4,000 pesos. Ganun lang siya kadali. Next, let's have this. Maria is offered 2 sales jobs. Job A offers a base pay of 6,000 pesos plus 10% commission on sales. Job B offers a flat 10,000 salary with no commission. If Maria expects to sell 40,000 worth of products, which job gives her higher earnings? Compute natin, si Job A. Anong meron kay Job A? So, let us compute Job A by the given scenario right here. Na meron siyang 40,000 na sale, okay? Na benta. Meron siyang 40,000 sale. So, gagawin natin dito is first to get the commission of 40,000. Diba? Sige, sulat ko na lang, pay is equals to base pay plus commission, which is, meron tayong 6,000 pesos plus yung commission natin dito ay 40,000 times 0.1, diba? 0.1 kasi 10% yon. So that's 6,000 plus 40,000 times 0.1 ay magiging 10,000 pesos. 10,000 yung makukuha niya if ever pili niya si Job A. Now let's have Job B. Okay? The payment is 10,000. So, pag i-compare natin sila, Job B is fixed. Fixed siya. Well, Job A, meron siyang commission, right? So, if masipag ka, marami yung benta mo, marami yung sales mo, now, you can have more than 10,000 na pwedeng masahod sa isang buong buwan. So, yung sagot natin dito is Job A will give Maria higher earnings. Diba? Mas malaki ang makukuha ni Maria kay Job A. Now, last question. A product priced at 2,500 increases to 2,900 pesos. What is the percentage increase? Okay, so PI as percentage increase, sabihin natin ganon, is equal to the new price minus the old price all over the old price times 100. Okay, new price natin IC 2,900. Old price natin, IC 2,500. Lagay natin dito sa ating formula. So we have here 2,900 minus 2,500 divided by 2,500 times 100. Now, we will get how much? What's the percentage increase? Percent ito. Wait lang. Lagay natin sa calculator. 2,900 minus 2,500. That's 400 divided by 25 times 100 will give us 16% of increase. Nagkaroon ng 16% increase. So we will continue for part 3.